Hey there, welcome to my channel. I am Johnson Arcanuto, the handsome one, and this is my first time in vlogging, so I don't know what to do and I have no idea what I am doing, okay? So expect some dumb moments where I embarrass myself in this video for just your entertainment. So let's get started. So, today, we are going to do a sugar and yeast experiment. Exactly, a sugar and yeast experiment.
One question, Johnson. What is sugar and yeast?
Sugar is a sweet substance that gives food its sweetness and provides energy. It's found on foods like fruits, candy, desserts, and yeast is a tiny living organism that helps things like bread rise. It eats sugar and produces carbon dioxide, which makes bubbles and causes dough to expand.
Ooh.
We have the materials in this experiment. First, we have a funnel, 2 bottles of Erlenmeyer Plus, a beaker, a marker, a spoon, sugar, yeast, and 2 balloons, and of course the hot water. Now we are on full gear, so let's start the experiment. First, add some hot warm water in the beaker. Where is it? The measurement is 250 millimeters. And add it to the Erlenmeyer Plus. Same to the other bottle. Second step, we must add 1 tablespoon of sugar in the Erlenmeyer Plus. Now, using our panel, we place it here so that the sugar won't be a mess. We add yeast, 1 tablespoon of yeast to the Erlenmeyer Plus. And for the last step, we will add 1 tablespoon of sugar to the label B. Now that we added the mixture, we're gonna shake it. And place a balloon. And same as the other one, we're gonna shake it and place a balloon. Now, we let it sit for about 1 hour or 30 minutes to see the difference between each other. Now, you must be wondering, why did the balloon expanded and rise? The yeast love to eat their favorite sugar in a warm, moist environment where they will multiply in numbers. As the yeast munch away on their sugar, a process called anaerobic fermentation begins to take place. The byproduct of this process are alcohol and carbon dioxide. So the balloon is filled with carbon dioxide. That's why it expanded.
Why did the bottle where only sugar is added did not expand?
There is no yeast or leavening agents to the mixture, then the mixture won't rise and or become fluffy. So adding just sugar will mainly sweeten and potentially dissolve, but won't cause any fermentation or rising without the right conditions.
Whoa!
Now, the long wait has been over. We have here the table A, which is the sugar, and this, as you can see, the balloon has expanded. And to the label B, there's no change that had been happened because there is no yeast on the mixture, only sugar, so it could not process the carbon dioxide. Now, that is all for our today's vlog. Hope you like it, and always remember to stay handsome and hit that subscribe button if you want more videos and experiment. That's all, guys.